Hello, welcome to Ravi Sir's Maths Lab Corner. So, today I am going to do some activity in my Maths Lab. So, I have these things you can see into videos. These are झाड़ू रहता ना झाड़ू. सो ऐसा झाड़ू में एक थोड़ा स्टिक्स जैसा रहता है, ये लेकर आया, राइट. सो इससे हम थोड़ा एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे, राइट. यू आर एबल टू सी माय टेबल इन दिस नाउ. ये थोड़ा लास्ट में इसको हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम कट कर देंगे. विल कट इट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट इससे नहीं होता ना, इससे नहीं होता तो वी कैन हैव इट विथ फिंगर्स आल्सो, विथ हैंड आल्सो. I have removed this, okay, waste. So now I have इसको क्या बोलते हैं मालूम? ये नारियल का पत्ते रहता है ना, नारियल, लीव्स ऑफ नारियल, कोकोनट ट्री लीव्स का ये रहता है, राइट. सो ये है ना, देखो I brought, right, these are the नारियल का, राइट. ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन हम अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे तो दिस इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, राइट. सो अभी जो है ना लास्ट वाला, लास्ट में जो है ये एक कर्व है. इट्स नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन, इट इज़ मूविंग लाइक दिस, इट इज़ मूविंग लाइक दिस. सो एडजेस में जो है वो कर्व है. सो दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, right. So now in this particular activity you understood what is a straight line, what is a curve. So curve will be looking like this, there are so many curves, so this is a curve. Now this is a straight line. So now I'll put this curve outside. This is one straight line. I bring one more straight line here, right. I bring one more straight line. So I have so many straight lines in my bank. So these are my bank, and this is one more straight line. Now these two straight lines, they are not meeting each other. If they are not meeting each other, what happened? They are called parallel lines. They are called parallel lines. Okay, there is a, so you can go like this. Say they are parallel lines, right. So now if it is meeting like this, what happened? It is meeting like this, no? So they are called intersecting lines. If they are meeting each other, if they are going on one on another, overlapping each other, then we can call them as intersecting lines. Again I'll bring them. Suppose if it is falling on the same line, we call them as coincident lines. Coincident lines, you understand? So parallel lines, intersecting lines, and coincident lines. So this is about the three lines. Suppose I put one more line, say these are intersecting lines, I put one more line here. All the three lines are going through one point only. So these lines are called concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. If three or more than three lines passing through the same point, then we call them concurrent lines, and this point is known as a point of concurrency. So concurrent lines will come only for three or more than three lines. So I'll remove all the other lines. So now I have only two lines. These are intersecting lines, and this point we call it as a point of intersection. Point of intersection. So this is about the lines. Now what we can make with the lines? What are the simple figures we will make with the lines? So now what I will do, I will cut this into small pieces. Now this is one piece, I'm cutting it to, so with the same length I'm cutting. So this is one more piece, okay. That means these two are equal. These two are equal. These two are equal. So now I'll make a little bigger. Okay, it is a little bigger. I am making one more thing. So now what happened, I have three things. I have like this. If I put like this, what happened, I'll get an angle. This is an angle. Okay, so angle is formed with the two lines. I have made it into parts, so it is line segment, but even then, so an angle is formed between these two. So this is one angle. Okay, so now let me tell you more clearly. Suppose this is the base. Now if I put one line here, line here, so an angle will be formed. Angle, this is a smaller angle. If I move like this, now it will become, angle will become small. Finally what happens, so ये एक के ऊपर एक fall करेंगे, then at this position the angle is 0. Okay, so now if you just increase the other thing, the angle is increasing. At one stage angle will become 90 degrees, right angle. So if you increase it more, now what happened, 90 degrees के ऊपर हो जाता है, it becomes more than 90 degrees. When it comes to the straight line, now it is a straight line. At this point it is 180 degrees. We call it as a linear angle. Okay, so straight angle also, because those two lines are straight. So these two we call it as a hand. This is one hand, and this is one hand, and this is one hand. So our arm also, you can have it arm also. This is one arm, this is one arm, so arm. Okay, so if it is 90 degrees, say if it is perpendicular, like wall फ्लोर का परपेंडिकुलर कैसा रहता है, दैट इज़ 90 डिग्रीज राइट एंगल रहता है. राइट एंगल का जो भी स्मॉल एंगल है ना, सो देन व्हाट हैपन, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एक्यूट एंगल आता है. अभी राइट एंगल से हम ऐसा उधर से उधर गया, देन व्हाट हैपन, इट विल, दिस एंगल विल बिकम ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल, सो इट इज़ मोर देन 90 डिग्रीज. सो ऐसा till 180 degrees na, this is called straight angle. If it is ghost like this angle is more than 90 degrees, so this we call it as a reflex angle. If it comes like this now, it is increasing 270, 90 and 90, 300, 270. This is 270, is going more than 270. slowly what happened, 360 degrees. ये एक पूरा राउंड हो जाता है. क्लॉक में दोनों हैंड्स कैसा मूव होता है, वैसा मूव होता है. सो क्लॉक में बार बार राउंड्स मारती है, इधर भी हम राउंड मार सकते हैं. सो एक कंप्लीट राउंड के लिए क्या होता है, 360 डिग्रीज होता है. सो हियर वी हैव लर्न what are the straight lines, what are the intersecting lines, what are the congruent lines. Okay, how an angle is formed, what are the parts of angle, all these things with the simple sticks से हम किया है. Okay, so we will see few more activities with the same things in my next class. Bye bye.